So here we are at the Sri Nakarin Dam National Park in Kanchanaburi province. So let's have a look around. So here we are, here's the campsite just by the car parks. So a nice sized campsite overlooking a spectacular dam, the main dam for Kanchanaburi province. So there's plenty of space to put your tent up. So you've got the fourth tier of the waterfall just next to the campsite. We'll have a look at that in just a moment. So there you go. There's a viewpoint here that you can just see straight over the dam. You get sunrise in the morning coming up right in front of you as well. So depending on where you pitch your tent, you get a great view of sunrise. Let's have a look. Look at that view. So there you go. So that's what you'll wake up to every morning, sunrise coming straight in front of you there over the dam. Absolutely spectacular. So let's go and see the waterfall. These are tents you can rent from the national park. I think there are 150 baht to rent. Then you can rent your sleeping pad and things like that. They'll put the tent up for you. So you can camp here, probably for everything you need will be about 250 baht for camping. So, and then there's an additional charge of 30 baht a night on top of that. So there you go, that's the fourth tier of the waterfall. Absolutely spectacular waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. And that is right next to the campsite. So there you go, you can put your tent up right next to the waterfall if you want. It's entirely up to you. So let's have a look around. There is a visitors centre. Visitor centre just opposite the campground. So that's where you can get all your information about the national park and Huai Mae Khamin waterfall. So here is the camping equipment centre. This is where you come and you rent your camping equipment, your tent and everything you need. Just come in there, there's an information desk there and you can go and rent your tent. There's also a food court which you come, everything's closed at the moment. It's pretty quiet in the park at the moment, but some things are open. You can get yourself a drink. There's a little food court, you can come in. If you don't bring your own food, you can come. Weekends very busy, everything's open. It's a little shop, you can get your supplies. So there's lots of showers like this. They have a big bin, you fill it with water and use that. Places to hang your clothes up there, most of them, but there are lots of them. Lots and lots of them. So it's all nice and clean, there's no mosquitoes, which is even better, but lots of them all around, so you're not short. There's toilets over here and shower facilities, so they are all really nice and clean and well kept. So here are the toilets, Western style toilets. You've got a bucket flushing system. There are lots of them, lots and lots of them. So what is good about camping here is you can come and swim in one of these lovely waterfall pools at the Huai Mae Khamin waterfall. Wow, so you're allowed to swim at the waterfall between tiers 1 and 4. They permit swimming. This is a small one, relative to a small one. There's some large ones, lots of nice pools. So let's get in the water. Wow, that looks refreshing. Wow, so let's get in then, let's get in the water. Wow, it's absolutely freezing. Oh, let's climb up this one. Climb up the rock there. Okay. Wow. So ready for this pool over here. Oh, I've got myself some, it's quite rocky at the bottom, but I've got some of these water shoes on, so which makes your life a lot easier. Wow, the water's absolutely freezing. Oh my god. So ready for this one over here for a swim. Oh, it's really deep over by this waterfall too, so oi, 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 oi. Absolutely freezing. Let's get over here. So yes, like I said, you can go for a swim from level 1 to 4. Anywhere between there you can go for a swim. Look at these beautiful little pools. You can get in, some of them are really deep, they go all the way down. But out quite over a large distance, these waterfalls. So this is a small, relatively small one. Further down there's a bigger one. Some people are enjoying the swim in that, so I didn't mind it. It's cold, but in Thailand it's the hottest time of the year at the moment, so what better way to cool yourself down than going for a little dip in a waterfall like this. Oh, gonna climb over a tree now. Here we go. Wow, that's absolutely freezing. Whoa, it's really deep. Here we go. I've got this fallen tree here to help me hold myself up. Wow. Oi. Wow, oh, the current is really strong. Wow, a really strong current. It's forcing me that way. It's forcing me. Oh, I can just about stand up here. It's going deeper. Whoa. Wow, I'm fighting against the current here. The force is awesome. Let's swim against it. Wow, I can't. I'm not getting anywhere. Wow. The power of the waterfall. Ah, and it's such a hot day here in the national park. Oh, that's a lot better now. You need to be a strong swimmer for some of these pools. Oh, how awesome is this? How awesome. Wow. Oh, that's absolutely fantastic. Oi. See if I can stand up here. Oh, see if I can stand up. Oh yeah, I can stand up here. Wow. Wow. Get out in the pool. Here's mass. Wow. Big area. So yes, this is just one of many. There are about 20 pools you can go swimming in. The water's freezing, but it cools you right down on a hot day. I hope you can hear me. Oh. So it's Baldy Brian checking out from the Huai MaeKhamin waterfall in Thailand.